Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, that are coming. They're coming together. They're teaming up like the Avengers, literally, and they're going to mine Bitcoin off solar power energy and battery powered energy in Texas. Welcome back, DCN Army. We're so glad to be back with you this Saturday to share with you the most hottest crypto news in the past 4 days. If you haven't tuned in to our recent video covering everything from last Friday to this Wednesday, make sure you tune in to our most recent video. We're talking Off-White, we're talking Goldman Sachs, and of course, crypto adoption in global. But look, today we have a lot of articles to share with you. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. We have 5 or 6 articles that we've chosen, that we've handpicked for you today to go over. Of course, we're going to be going over different use cases with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you take into consideration that this is not financial advice. Any decision you take outside of this video is solely and uniquely your responsibility. And with all of that said, DCN Army, let's get right into the first article of the day. We're going to be starting off smoothly with a simple donation from the creator of Ethereum, of course, Vitalik Buterin. He has now donated 5 million in Ethereum to aid Ukraine, specifically because of what has happened in Ukraine. As you do know, there's been a war between Russia and Ukraine. So as for this donation, you can see here that Vitalik has definitely sent out 250 Ethereum, 750 Ethereum, and then 500 Ethereum in separate increments. This is exciting for Ukraine because Ukraine has now received over $150 million worth of cryptocurrencies since the invasion of Russia, and Ukraine has pretty much adopted cryptocurrency. At least they're looking to create some type of framework and regulatory infrastructure around cryptocurrencies. Particularly, the contributions have been made to the Ukrainian government as well as to Ukrainian NGOs, Come Back Alive, Ukraine DAO, Aid for Ukraine, as well FTX and other platforms have come together to donate directly to Ukraine. Let's go ahead and jump further. We have some interesting news coming from Robinhood. So this is definitely more on the crypto offering side of things. We were just speaking about donations, so a use case of cryptocurrency. Now we're speaking about the cryptocurrency being offered to 2 million users that are a part of Robinhood. So they've released a crypto wallet that will integrate Bitcoin Lightning Network. So the crypto wallet is eligible for 2 million users, and this is very interesting because they will allow beta testers to move Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin in and out of Robinhood's walled garden, so their app, of course. There's a couple of limitations though that you have to take into consideration with Robinhood. If you are a user of Robinhood, you will know that you cannot plug in any Ethereum based services. It doesn't accept any ERC20 tokens, so we're speaking about like Chainlink, for example. NFTs as well are outside of Robinhood's capabilities. Tokens generated by airdrops and forks won't work either, so they're still very, very limited. Of course, Robinhood is essentially a trading app for forex exchange, for commodities, and also stocks. So now they're trying to dabble a bit more into cryptocurrency that some actually might view as either a payment method or a commodity. There's a $5,000 daily cap on outbound transfers, and newly acquired crypto stays put until the transaction settles. For many other cryptocurrency fanatics and just beginners, or even those who have experience, they will most likely go to another wallet rather than Robinhood for many of the limitations that they have here. For example, MetaMask doesn't have these limitations. let's go ahead and move forward. We're going to look at another use case of Bitcoin. Here we're going to see that they are accepting Bitcoin as bonus prizes. So the UFC has already begun a partnership with crypto.com for some time now, and now UFC fighters can receive bonuses in Bitcoin. There's more details down below. For example, $30,000 of Bitcoin will be given to the first place, 20,000 to second place, and 10,000 to the third place. Crypto.com has been an official UFC partner for less than a year, and they have already begun offering UFC fighters a chance to win cryptocurrency. Let's have a look here. The organization signaled its intent to get involved in NFTs. That is true. They've already filed 2 NFT and metaverse trademarks. Definitely have a look at our Telegram. We went over this already. And 1 month earlier as well, Francis Ngannou has fought and won money in Bitcoin after a fight in the UFC. And as well, he's done an NFT collaboration and made $580,000 from it. Huge profits for the UFC fighters, and very good adoption and a very good initiative from crypto.com. I would say it's a great incentive for UFC fighters to get that bag, boy. Yes, sir. Look here, Cash App is doing something crazy. We're just gonna go through all of the articles quite quickly. Cash App now lets users invest their paychecks, in other words, convert their paychecks into Bitcoin. So this is another use case of cryptocurrency. Look here, we're seeing a salary conversion. Cash App has added 3 new Bitcoin features that could boost the adoption of the top cryptocurrency. We're speaking about the app that has been developed and created by Jack Dorsey's Block. Now it's allowing, of course, as we said before, for people to convert their paychecks into Bitcoin. He has said this as recently as this week. Of course, as you know, there's been the Bitcoin 2022 conference that's been taking place in Miami, and there's been a lot of famous people and big players that own huge companies as well that's attended this convention. And of course, it is an annual convention that brings a lot of these adoptions and integrations, as what we're seeing here. Yep, they started to do that back in January, and they allowed users to send the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, of course, for free to any compatible wallet. The app allowed its users to buy Bitcoin in all 50 US states back in August 2018. That is incredible. And of course, they're still pushing to become a big player, and this integration is going to help that. There's a lot of people in the world that are going, especially in America, of course, where this is going to be implemented. In America, there's going to be a lot of new users and adoption entering the market as this continues to happen. You know, it's just incredible and remarkable to see, and we are very happy with all of this adoption. And this one, it might just be the craziest one yet. If you've stayed tuned until this point, make sure you like and subscribe. We appreciate you. DCN Army merch is gonna come out soon. Check it out. Okay, so American Bank is going to enable customers to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum via a new crypto offering. So American Bank is just a locally owned community bank headquartered in Pennsylvania, and they will choose the 2 largest cryptocurrencies in the world as per market cap, so Bitcoin and Ethereum. And they're going to offer crypto trading services to their users, and this will be provided by the bank, of course. So this will happen because of an integration and partnership with Bakkt. They're going to connect their solution together and provide customers to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. This is exciting for traditional banks in United States to be able to hop onto this bandwagon. Although we don't have a regulatory framework as of now, but the Securities Exchange and Committee has done a big step in advance towards finding out how they're going to create this framework, as well as for Joe Biden, the US president, who has already signed an executive order pretty much giving the green light on cryptocurrency in the United States, just around what framework, what will tax look like, what will it look like in different states, of course, because we have federal law and then we have state law. All of this will come into play as the years and months go by. But this right here is very interesting, very interesting for the users and for the customers of American Bank especially. And if you don't know what Backed is, let's go ahead and find that for you. So Backed is a corporation. It's an American corporation, of course, and they operate a technology platform that pretty much designs and reimagines a bit, like it imagines and kind of like brings together the entire digital economy. So we're on the website right now, and here are their services. So they have services for consumers, B2C. They have B2B for businesses and also for institutions such as American Bank that we just went over. Definitely have a look at this company. They are actually on the New York Stock Exchange as well. And let's go ahead and skip forward. Now we have something new to share with you. So of course we were speaking about crypto offering with the American Bank that has integrated with Backed solutions. Now we have something even more interesting. CNBC has reported that Tesla, Block, and Blockstream, so we're speaking about Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, they're coming together, they're teaming up like the Avengers, literally, and they're going to mine Bitcoin off solar power energy and battery powered energy in Texas. So what we're seeing here is cryptocurrency in the use case of sustainable minery. This is incredible. Of course, we need to mine Bitcoin, and we need to have validators all over the world that will actually allow the Bitcoin network to continue to work efficiently in the world. And why not have sustainable energy to make this utopia even greater? So definitely have a look at this link down below. They go into the details on how this will work, but this will be in Texas, and the use of solar and storage technology will come from Tesla. And yeah, they're going to be a big validator on the Bitcoin network. Not only are they going to mine Bitcoin, but they're also going to be validating transactions. That's how the network works. The more validators on the network, the harder it is to actually penetrate or cause any fraud, bring any harm to the network. As long as there's validators in the world, the network cannot go bust. So let's just take this quote here coming from Neil Jorgensen, the global ESG lead at Block and project lead for Block's Bitcoin Clean Energy Initiative. He says here that by collaborating on this full stack 100% solar powered Bitcoin mining project with Blockstream using solar and storage technology from Tesla, we aim to further accelerate Bitcoin synergy with renewables. This is excellent, and let's just give it a hand of applause for Bitcoin and for blockchain technology and how we're going to use the world's natural energy to allow the Bitcoin network to function. Round of applause. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely have a look at this link down below. We're sharing it with you. All of the links that we go through, of course, are down below. Make sure you have a look. We have 2 more articles to go through. Let's check this one out. Boom! Bitcoin Lightning Network comes to Shopify. It comes to Shopify. So Shopify merchants, if you're selling on Shopify, the largest e-commerce platform of the world, if you are selling on Shopify, you can add or implement the possibility for your customers to pay you in Bitcoin. This is happening right now. This has been announced, of course, at the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami. This has been a huge convention for Bitcoin globally, and there's been a lot of actors that showed up there. But let's have a look at this article. Of course, Strike is based in Chicago. They're a payment application, and they've integrated with the giant Shopify to accept BTC payments via the Bitcoin Lightning Network. What is the Lightning Network? It's going to tell you right here. It's a layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin designed to facilitate faster and cheaper transactions, and it's been already proven. So the Bitcoin Lightning Network is better than any other financial tool or system that we have traditionally in the world to ever exist. That is what's happening here. Shopify is the world's 18th largest e-commerce company. Excuse me for what I said earlier. It earns in annual revenue about 4.6 billion. That's a lot. And of course, their online store is up and working and operating in 175 different countries. Do you understand how huge this adoption is? Oh la 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 la. Let's continue further. Any online merchant that uses Shopify can accept payments without the 1949 Boomer network. Receive it instantly, cash final, and no 3% fee. No, this is just crazy. This is just crazy. The company draws 2.5 billion in annual revenue. Just to let you know about their figures, to tell you how big of a company they are actually. Huge, 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 huge. Guys, we're gonna end with this, but just to let you know, as we have one more article, of course, but for this right here, this article that we're on right now, this is another use case of Bitcoin, and this we can categorize it as a payment gateway to millions and millions of users across the entire world, 175 countries. Last but not least, because we will be back next Wednesday with another article in week 15. Make sure you follow Daily Crypto Network. We're pretty much documenting cryptocurrency and all its subcategories: metaverse, NFTs, blockchain technology, decentralized finance. What else? Altcoins, Bitcoin, price action. We're going to get into that. Don't think we're here just sharing you crypto news. At some point, we will develop and evolve and share with you our opinion on cryptocurrency as far as price. But at the moment, we're not here for that. We're trying to eliminate what is the stigma around trying to be rich today. It doesn't work that way. With all of you people that go into multi-level marketing, I'm not saying you won't be successful. I'm just saying follow the news, follow Daily Crypto Network, and let's ride this journey together. MasterCard, one of the biggest payment providers in the world, has prepared for the virtual economy after filing 15 trademarks for the metaverse and NFT, non-fungible tokens, of course. This is exciting. They're a major player already in the global economy, but they're also trying to play a big part in the virtual economy. Of course, they want to remain relevant. They do not want to lose market share, and they definitely want to still be around in the next 20 to 25 years. So they have submitted 15 new trademarks. Of course, that includes the circles of the logo, MasterCard, priceless, a bit of their slogans. This is all so you can recognize the brand in our real economy, and also when you enter the virtual economy, you will be able to recognize the same brands and their same logos and slogans that they've been using for the past how many years. This is very exciting for the crypto space, NFT space, and digital economy. And if I'm not mistaken, it is maybe the first huge payment provider to enter and submit trademark filings. So they've filed trademarks, and that includes NFT-backed multimedia, marketplaces for digital goods, card and payment transactions, processing in the metaverse, and as well e-commerce, software business transactions. Super, super, super exciting. It's worth mentioning that the number of NFT trademark applications in the United States climbed 421 times in 2021, and it's certainly going to continue in 2022. Ladies and gents, DCN Army, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. We had so much fun sharing with you all of these articles. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you are not part of our Telegram, make sure you tune in soon to our Telegram. All of the links are down below. We appreciate you and we wish you a great rest of the weekend. Ciao, ciao.